This is our 3-bedroom bungalow. Actually, it's a flat roof bungalow, and it's seated on a 135 square meter space. So currently we are in the final phase of the house, whereby we are doing the fittings of the house in the different spaces that we have, that I'm going to show you. But right here we have our entrance porch. We have also done our tile works with ceramic tiles. Then this is our huge and massive windows fabricated by Batir Constructions. Of course, this is a one-way window, as you can see, and we have designed it as per client's taste and preference or choice. So at least, actually, you can use them as a mirror kind of when you're going to work. Then I show you our entry space, which leads us into the sitting room space. So this is our door, also fabricated by Batir. It is a high security door. As you can see, our locks, they are very secured. Then right here, this is our massive sitting room area. We have done our gypsum ceiling, and also we have done the skimming part of it. As you can see, we are the skimming part of it is complete, or the final roll has been done. Then we're also working on our electricals, as you can see. So right here you can mount up your TV, and then you can be able to put your TV stand right there, and maybe mount your hoofers there. Then right here, these will be our socket spaces for the different electrical works. Then this right here is our dining space, just enough and spacious for the family, which leads us into our open kitchen right here. And it is very just sizable enough for the family. We have done our kitchen tops or our kitchen working space with granite tiles. And of course, on the walls, these are ceramic tiles, and this is out of the client's choice. So in this space right here, you can set up your fridge. As you can see, we are still working on our electricals here. And then you can set up your cooker on this space. Then we are going to be setting up our cabinets, kitchen cabinets on top here. And also we have down spaces right here for the storage purposes of the kitchen. Then we are going to be mounting our kitchen the taps for the cleaning purposes. Then right here, this is our pantry space. We're going to be mounting our cabinets here to aid us in the storage of the kitchen materials. And then on this part, we have the laundry space. We have done the wall tiles, and we are also cleaning this space. Then on the other end here, this is our back porch. As you can see, very beautifully done. That gives you a very nice view of the back space of the house. And we are also working on the electricals right here. Then quickly, let me show you our bedroom spaces. Like I said, this is a 3-bedroom bungalow. 2 rooms are en suite, 1 is not. So this is our bedroom 1 right here. Just spacious and enough for whoever is going to be here. And we are going to be setting our wardrobes here to aid us in the storage of our clothes. Then right here we have the bathroom space for this particular room. So it is work in progress. As you can see, there is nothing much to say. We've set also our gypsum ceiling. Then we have right here our room 2. This one is not en suite, just a room that is going to be sharing this cloakroom space right here. This will be our main cloakroom, whereby when we have guests or anybody coming in the house, they can be using this cloakroom. Then into the master bedroom right here. The master bedroom is very big with a very nice view. As you can see, this is our master bedroom, also work in progress. Skimming work done, electricals work in progress. Then we're also working on the plumbing works. Then out here we have our small pergola for the master bedroom. It gives you a very nice view. Our cameraman can show you like the nice view of the entire space of the house, and you can relax here when you wake up in the morning. Then we have the walk-in closet for this particular room right here. We are going to be mounting our wardrobes right here to aid us in the storage of our clothes. And then this is the bathroom space for this particular house. For your information, we have also so we've done our hot and cold water system for all the rooms, so the owner is going to be enjoying cold and hot showers at the same time. So guys, this is what is currently happening in our project in Kiambu County. Follow us at Paintworks Constructions on all our social media handles, on YouTube, Build with Fidelis, and on TikTok at QS Fidelis Naiba. And let's continue updating you on this and more of our projects in different counties that we are working on. Paintworks Constructions, building the future one panel at a time. Keep it locked.